To dispute an error on your Equifax report through Credit Karma, start by logging into your Credit Karma account on the website or app. From the dashboard, navigate to the Credit Report section, where Credit Karma provides reports from credit bureaus such as TransUnion and VFX. Locate the account or item on your Equifax report that you believe is incorrect. Whether it's a missed payment, collection, or other misinformation, click on the account to view more details. Then look for the Dispute option. Credit Karma will redirect you to the Equifax website to complete the dispute. On the dispute page, explain why you're disputing the item, selecting a reason such as incorrect payment status or duplicate account. You may also need to upload supporting documentation, like payment receipts, bank statements, or correspondence with the credit issuer. Once you've submitted the dispute, you can check the status of your dispute through Equifax, which typically completes investigations within 30 days. If the dispute is resolved in your favor, Equifax will update your credit report accordingly.